Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So my very first seeds of 2023 are going to be eucalyptus. And I have the silver dollar tree. I have 200 seeds of that. And then I have baby blue. It says spiral dwarf florist, and I have 200 of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 72 plug trays, and I'm just going to put a seed in each one, and then I'll have 25 more seeds, and I'll just spot them around as a double seed. And then that way, if I have cells that don't germinate, I can pluck them out and put them in. And if I have too many, I'll just pluck them out and start another tray of any of the extras. And I think that's how I'm going to do this. So I've got my mat, I've got my trays, I've got my seeds, and I've got my tags to make the labels in the trays of what kind of seeds they are. I've got my plastic domes, and I think I'm ready to go. So I've got my potting soil. I did a video yesterday on, I use the ProMix. So I'm just gonna try this mat for the first time. I'm gonna put all of my seed starting mix in here, and I'm gonna fill my trays. And then these germinate at between 65 and 70 degrees. My house is about 68 degrees, so that'll be perfect. And I'm just gonna put the seeds on top and water them in. It's pretty much that simple. So here I go. So this is damp. It doesn't have any water dripping out of it, but it kind of holds its shape, and it doesn't have any dry spots really in it. So now I'm just gonna fill my trays. Okay, I got my trays filled. It was a little messier, but it might be because it was the first time I used it. I might want to put my trays in it and keep them in, because right now, as you can see, I've got soil all over my table. Not to worry, I do have Lysol and mini disinfectant, so it'll be taken care of shortly. So now I think I'm just going to label these. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. It's exciting to get my first seeds in trays and under my grow lights. So excited. How exciting to get that done. My very first plants under the grow lights for 2023, and it is eucalyptus. This is a seed that I ordered every year, and every year they told me that they didn't have enough quantity. I did notice I was counting the seeds as I was pulling them out, and I feel like I only had about 90 seeds. Like, it seemed consistent that there were 90 seeds in each of those packets, and it was supposed to be 100. So I'm hoping that's not how all of my seeds go. I hope they didn't have a scale off when they were weighing those. I'm not too worried about it because I get them at a really good price, and hopefully they'll germinate. We will see. I think around 65 to 72 is like perfect to germinate, and in a couple weeks, hopefully we start seeing some seedlings on those eucalyptus. I hope so. It's one I haven't done before. Tomorrow I'll probably be starting my Lisianthus. I have about 1,700 Lisianthus seeds to start. I think last year I had about 80 or 90% of my Lisianthus germinated. But by the time the whole season went on, I think I had about 60% of what I planted. So this year, I'm hoping I get a little bit better than that. I'm hoping to have at least 1,000 Lisianthus plants. We will see how that goes. But 1,700 seeds is a lot more than 400. So I don't know if it'll take me all day or if I'll do Lisianthus for a couple days. I will make sure to video it tomorrow and just give you kind of an update and tell you what I do to start my Lisianthus and give you an overview of how it's done in the past. I can't do that with eucalyptus since it is my first year, but I will do that with the Lisianthus, and then I might do just some seed starting, you know, the following few days without videoing it, because that way I can just spread it out and not feel rushed to get it done, because it is January. We have some seeds to start, but it's not an everyday thing, just watering and checking water levels now. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.